Did you know Nehemiah's enemies tried to stop him 6 times before they gave up? The walls of Jerusalem were rising, and powerful men could not allow it. First came the threats: mock us, intimidate us, make us afraid. Nehemiah prayed and kept building. Then came the slander, rumors sent to the king, letters full of lies. You're planning a rebellion. You want to be king yourself. Nehemiah answered with the truth and kept building. Then came the invitations. Come, let's meet, let's talk. 5 times they sent the message. 5 times he gave the same answer. I am doing a great work. I cannot come down. Finally, they sent a prophet, a man paid to speak for God. Run, Nehemiah. Hide inside the temple. They're coming to kill you. He looked at the man and saw through him. Would a man like me run? He didn't move. The walls were finished in 52 days. Every trap they set revealed one thing: a man who knows his purpose cannot be talked off the wall.